Recently, I was invited to a housewarming party. In this video, I'll be sharing a creative gift idea that you can easily recreate that is unique and practical. These are the basic contents of the gift that I started with. I chose a laundry theme because I knew I could find lots of items reasonably priced to fill up the gift box. No need to special order anything from Amazon or any place. I just picked up everything from my local grocery store. Even though these are ordinary, everyday items that everyone uses, the thing that makes this a unique gift is the way that it is packaged. I'm going to be transforming this empty box of Pampers into a washing machine gift box. I kept the empty Pampers box from another diaper gift that I made for a baby shower. Be sure to go back and check out these two videos after watching this one. I'll leave the links for both of the videos at the end. You only need just a couple of items from the craft store to decorate your gift box. I used a foam wreath form and a sheet of plexiglass. That's it. These two items I found at Hobby Lobby and both were only 99 cents each. That's less than the price of some gift wrapping paper. I'll be using the wreath form as a guide to cut out the circle for the door of the washing machine. Now that I have my circle traced, I cut out the shape with a box cutter. Pampers boxes are good, sturdy boxes to use for this project because we're going to be filling this box with some pretty heavy items. But if you don't have a Pampers box, I just recommend using any kind of strong, heavyweight cardboard box. Now that the door is cut out, we're ready to paint. I'm using some leftover semi-gloss house paint. Since appliances usually have a shiny and smooth finish, the semi-gloss paint was a perfect choice. It took about 3 coats of paint to cover the dark colors of the box completely. I didn't want any of the pictures or wording from the original package to bleed through. And because I was so excited to get this done, I even used a blow dryer in between coats to dry it faster. I took pictures of the settings from my own washing machine to use on the gift box. If this is not an option for you, you can always copy and paste some free images from the internet. Then I uploaded the images onto my computer, adjusted them to the size to fit on my gift box, and printed them out. These are the details that really make it look like a real washing machine. To give the gift box some added dimension, I'm using hot glue to attach the wreath form. The plexiglass comes with a clear film that you peel off. Then use more hot glue to attach the plexiglass to the inside of the box. This creates the illusion of a front-loading washing machine door. You will also be able to peek into the gift box to see some of the items that are on display. Here's how it looks from the inside. I didn't even have to cut the plexiglass. It was a perfect fit for this size box. Now comes the fun part. When filling the box, I positioned the main items to be right in the front, which would be the detergent and the fabric softener. Then I realized that I had a lot more space in this box, so I could either add some filler paper or some bubble wrap, or I could add more gift items. I didn't want the items to be shifting around during transport and risk anything spilling inside of the box either. So I decided to add lots more laundry supplies and get that box filled almost all the way to the rim. Let me show you the additional supplies that I picked up, and this will give you some more gifting ideas. If you like what you see so far, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I love reading your comments. The writing on this box of tissue was perfect since this is a housewarming gift. I'm going to show you something super cute to do with these socks, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. Mesh laundry bags are great for washing your delicate items in the machine. Microfiber towels are great for keeping the outside of your washer and dryer lint and dust free. I just rolled them up and added some orange coordinating ribbon. Then I thought about something else. If I fill this box all the way to the top, it'll make it dark inside, and you won't get a clear peek of the gifts through the washing machine door. So I came up with the idea to light up the machine from the inside with these battery LED lights. I taped it to the inside of the box with some clear packing tape. Now this is going to be much better. You'll see the difference of how it looks. Much brighter now, right? For the finishing touches, I used clear packing tape to attach the control settings and the Whirlpool washing machine logo. I used the colors of the detergent to coordinate a large bow to put on top of the washing machine. And here's what I did with those socks and the clothespins. Since the back of the washing machine was kind of plain, I used this to decorate that. I hope this gave you some creative inspiration on how to present a practical gift in a very unique way for your next occasion. I think this gift would also be very much appreciated by college students. Look at her big, beautiful smile. She loved her gift. new homeowners, newlyweds, or you can even make this into a baby shower gift with some Dreft detergent, baby clothes, and other fragrance-free products for the baby to use. I just love giving gifts and sharing ideas, so stay here on my channel to see more. I post videos on interior decorating, special events decor, and gift ideas. I'm Steph Storm, and you'll see me next time.